everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix common bugs on Instagram. Whether you're facing glitches, crashes, or certain features not working, these steps should help resolve the issue. Most bugs are resolved in updates. So the first thing you should do is make sure your app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if there is an update available. If there is, go ahead and update it. If updating didn't fix the problem, the issue might be caused by temporary files. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, Instagram, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. iPhone users can uninstall and reinstall Instagram from the App Store to refresh the app. Next, restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up any temporary glitch or bugs. Turn your phone off, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on before reopening Instagram. The next step is to check app permissions. Make sure Instagram has all necessary permissions to function properly. Go to your phone settings, Apps, Apps again, Instagram, select permissions, and ensure that things like camera, microphone, and storage are enabled if you're having issues with specific features. If the problem persists, go to Instagram settings, scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem and explain the issue. Instagram's team will investigate, and if it's a known bug, they might release a fix soon. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most bugs on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!